You need to write it because you, like we said at the beginning, your brain's small, so you're gonna forget it.
Alright, Mr. Shade King. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. It's early. Well, it's still morning because it's not yet midday. You guys, I've been on the road all morning. I had to run out real quick to get some stuff done early this morning. Hey, you handsome boy, can you say morning to the faves? Say morning, faves. You're coloring? Say morning, faves. Anyway, you guys, I had to go by my office this morning to get some paperwork done, so I did that this morning. I've been out and I stopped by Jen and get some stuff done at her house because she's not there, so I just make sure everything is okay and yada 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 by Jen's. And what is it? That is okay. You get messed up when you color. That is fine. My kid don't like to get messed up, and I don't know how else to teach him that it's okay to be messy sometimes. Anyway, you guys, I'm back. Baby's off to work, and today I'm not going to work by the house because I decided I'm just going to rest a little bit today from the house. I have other stuff to do, so I'm gonna take care of that today and just chill a little bit and then resume over the weekend. I am actually in the kitchen right now making some lunch for Thailand. Listen, you guys, I am frying fries in my frying pan because my fryer here decided not to work for a while now. I cleaned it, and ever since I cleaned it, I'm not getting anything for it, so well, I have to go the other road. So I'm making some fries real quick so Thailand I can get something to eat and then get on with her day. Hope you guys are having a good day. Hope you guys are having a positive, productive day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and stay encouraging whatever it is that you are doing today. Just be nice to somebody and it will make a whole lot of difference within your day. Anyway, guys, it's a beautiful, beautiful day outside, so we are gonna go to the pool at some point today because we didn't carry our stuff for the beach, and I didn't really plan on going to the beach today, so we came back home. So the pool is what it's gonna do. Let me show you guys a snap of how beautiful it is outside. It is so hot. When I passed the beach just now, it was full of people, and so is the pool. Have a lot of people out, but that's okay. We're gonna go to the pool later and have some fun and just have a good day. So we're gonna have lunch right now and we'll catch up with you guys later. Oh my gosh, it is so hot. I just feel like walking around naked all day. It is so hot and I'm so tired. I've been just chilling for the latter part of the day ever since I got off the road, just really relaxing and unwinding a bit. I'm actually in the kitchen right now going to whip up some dinner real quick. I'm not really throwing down any cooking, it's Friday anyways. So I'm just making some fried rice with some leftover leftover brown rice that I had in the fridge from yesterday dinner. So I'm just doing that with some turkey and throw some corn in it and just whip up something real quick. You love broccoli? How broccoli make you go? One broccoli for you. Go get the bag from Papa. Put it in. Yay! Let's go. We're at the fruit and veggie store. Come to pick up some quick stuff, and then we're heading to the paint shop because your girl needs some more paint. And then we're gonna go to the supermarket. So, busy evening. Fly, paper, fly! Fly, fly, fly! You're so funny.
Yeah, to sit? Sit.
No.
You don't want to sit?
I want to watch it.
Huh?
I want to watch it.
Go sit right here.
Put it back. I'm scooping the water.
What?
Scooping the water.
Yeah, just scoop the water. Wait. Wait. Wait, that's what. Close eyes. Close eyes. No screaming. Good night, night, Fibs. What you doing? You going to bed? So see you guys tomorrow. Look. So see you guys tomorrow.
We are coming to end to the vlog. I am feeling so exhausted.
Cutting out of my head, though my head not that big still.
It's big. Yeah, I'm
Bigger than yours.
oh,
Oh, what?
my brain big. My brain is need a lot of space because it's full.
Yes, stupid.
So yeah, today I've been busy. This week I've been busy, and because of the new house, not really have time to rest when the weekends come. So that's gonna lead me to the French word for today. This is what I really need. This is what I'm gonna have at the end of next week. And the French word for today is vacances.
You give vacances already.
You need to know this word as the main word. Vacances. Vacances. This is what I need. Vacances. Say it.
Vacances.
Right. Vacances. But my vacances is in 1 week, but it's not really gonna be resting. But at least I will make my way, make my mind out of work, and yeah, I wake up at 11 while baby's taking care of Tyler in the morning.
You wish. You wish. You wish.
That's a wish. That's a
You
wish.
wish.
That's in my birthday. That's my birthday wish.
You wish.
Baby, you know what I want for my birthday?
What?
I want you to take care of Tyler all day and let me sleep all day.
Okay, I remember that come August 12.
When is August 12? It's gonna be like a Sunday. Yeah, it's gonna be Sunday.
You're funny. Anyway, you guys, the Jamaican expression for today is me I go nyam something.
You're going to yam something?
What does that mean? Me I go nyam something.
You're going to eat something.
Yeah.
Does this girl really think that I don't understand?
Ah, you hype. You hype.
No.
Alright,
that's just
we
too
need to do a
easy.
video of me speaking Jamaican patois and you tell me what it means.
That would be nice.
We're
That
going
would
to
be a
do it.
good
Hopefully
one.
we get to film it this weekend.
That would be a good one. You
We're
have
gonna
a
do
nice
that.
idea.
I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, you need to write it because you're, like we said at the beginning, your brain's small, so you're gonna forget it.
Alright, Mr. Shade King. Alright, Mr. Shady, I hear you. Alright, you guys, so there you guys have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. Well, the camera got high.
It make it feel like it is a drone shot.
You're hilarious. Anyway, you guys, Stella's gone to bed. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you are new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys. And we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.